to go without thanking the members who were involved so much in making the ceremony such a success. So I would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone who in some way or the other contributed to making this ceremony such a successful event. I thank the Lord Almighty for the gift of life that He has granted us and for uniting us together as one large family under the name of Rotary and Rotract. I extend my heartfelt gratitude on behalf of all the Rotract clubs present here to Rotarian DGE Dr. A.K. Natesan, District Governor-elect and DLCC and Chairman of Excel Group Institutions for granting us permission and for aiding us in literally every single step that we required for organizing this event successfully. A humongous thanks to the chief guest of the occasion, Rotarian DGE Dr. Samir Haryani, District Governor-elect RID 3190, for coming all the way from Bangalore despite his busy schedule to be with us this afternoon. Your being here means a lot to us, sir. I would also like to thank Rotarian Ramanan, Raila Chairman RID 3190, Rotractor Naveen, PDRR RID 3190 for gracing this occasion with their valuable presence. A special thanks to Rotarian DGA Nirmal Prakash, District Governor RID 2982, Rotarian DG KS DGN KS Natesan, District Governor Nominee RID 2982 and Rotarian PDG R Vasu, District Trainer, for taking out time to be with us on this August day and for sharing with us their immense knowledge they've gained through their experience of dedicated service to humanity. I wish to express my gratitude to Rotractor PPS Manigandan, DRR RID 2982. Thank you, sir, for all your support. You truly are a role model for all the young Rotractors. I would also like to thank Rotractor PP Lindsay Mary, District Rotract Secretary, and Rotractor PDRRA Manigandan, District Director Rotract Southeast Asia, for being with us here today. I express my most sincere gratitude to our beloved parent club, the Rotary Club of Kumarapalayam, and all the dignitaries who have graced this occasion with their presence. Your being here makes this ceremony even more special. Rotarian P. Kadaresan, Chairman Rotract RID 2982, Rotarian AG R. Ramesh Babu, Zone 6 RID 2982, Rotarian P. Prakash, President, Rotarian J. Senthil Kumar, Secretary of Rotary Club of Kumarapalayam. Thank you so much, sir, for coming here. Before I thank my team, I would very specially like to thank Rotarian G. Sampath, Advisor Rotract Clubs of Excel and the Rotary College of Nursing, for being a constant support throughout the process of making this ceremony this successful. Thank you, sir, for bearing up with all our demands and imperfect efforts. This ceremony would not have been this way without your help and support. Thank you, sir. At last but not the least, even though I cannot name and thank one by one, I still extend my most sincere gratitude to my extremely efficient team of Rotractors who spent sleepless nights and sweaty days working for this ceremony. The digital team, the cultural team, the editing team, the MOC team, the decoration team, and all the office bearers and all my fellow Rotractors. I cannot thank you enough for all the efforts you've put in and all your endless cooperation. I would also like to thank all the volunteers for helping us with all the required arrangements. As the famous quote goes, all's well that ends well. So I guess we had a very successful ceremony, and I would like to thank every single one of you for contributing towards it. Thank you so much.